How to hide your phone number on Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide your phone number on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're a Telegram user and you're concerned about your privacy, because you will be added on different groups on Telegram and people might be able to see your contact info. So if you want to hide your phone number on Telegram, this is what you do. Head over to your settings on the bottom right. After you head over to settings, scroll down till you find privacy and security. Tap on privacy and security, and under privacy you should find the phone number option. Tap on it and there you will see who can see my phone number. Now if you want everyone to see your phone number, you can tap on everyone. If you want your contacts to find your contact, tap on my contacts. And if you do not want anyone to see your contacts, simply tap on nobody. After you do that, your phone number will be hidden on Telegram and no one will be able to see it. And that is basically all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.